folks, how are you doing? This is Statrax with another video, and this is the first video of the 2016, and this video is going to be about the most anticipated update of the OnePlus Android Nougat update, that's Oxygen OS 4.0. And OnePlus has kept their promise releasing their update before 2017, and they at the end of 2016 this update was rolled out on 31st December, and it will be OTA incremental upgrade, so you may not get upgrade right now, but the upgrade will reach you in stages. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You can see the whole update itself is just about 1 GB, and here we can get what's new. I updated from OTA, OTA from OxygenOS 3.2.8, OxygenOS version 4.0, upgrade to Android 7.0 Nougat, new notification design, new settings menu design, and it's just about a gigabyte. And first of all, as you can see, the interface is very smooth, and here we can see the small icons instead of big ones on the older OxygenOS versions. And this is the new redesigned shelf. It's a bit transparent. I'm very happy to see this kind of design, and it's very nice, just feels good to see. We can rearrange the notes and widgets, etc. And also we can delete. And next notable difference is in this notification drawer. Here we can see the new redesigned notification drawer in the Android 7.1 Nougat. And see, this transition is sexy. This transition is very nice to see, and you can always rearrange the tiles in the OnePlus. So yeah, and then next we have the wallpapers. We can set different wallpapers for home and lock screens directly from this. And then we have the widgets. Here we can add the widgets that we want to add, and here we have the customization option, and here we can enable or disable shelf, and pull up to open quick search from Google Now, and then pull down to open notification shade. And next, here we can set the icon packs, and we can even set the icon size to large, standard and small. Fuck, where is the new layout from Oxygen's open beta versions? It's missing. And that's it. And here again we can see here small icons instead of large big ones on the old versions. And here, and then the camera is pretty much the same, nothing has changed much. And here we still have the 1080p 60 fps recording option, 1080p 60 fps. And then we have the new redesigned clock app. New redesigned clock app. This one looks so dope. And then we have the new OnePlus community app. This is just OnePlus forums built into it as a system app. And here we have new file manager that it missed. And then here we have the new messages app. And then let's turn on to settings and see what's new. And here we can see a little preview of each app, of each setting down here, like Wi-Fi disabled, Bluetooth disabled. And here we have a new data saver which can restrict background data when enabled. And then here we can always customize the alerts layer, and then buttons. Here we can choose between on-screen and hardware buttons. I like the hardware buttons, so yeah, I'll move with it. And then we have gestures, and these are present in Nougat OTA 2. And here we have two new gestures like 3-finger screenshot and flip to mute. 3-finger screenshot works just like this, and flip to mute is mute your call when you flip the phone. And then here we have the status bar settings, which should be on system UI tuner, but they have directly given onto this. And here we can choose battery percentage to show or not. And then here we can select to enable or disable VoLTE from status bar here, right here. And NFC is working perfectly fine on this, guys. And let's turn on to display, and here we have the new screen calibration. We can choose between default, sRGB, and customize our own, just like moving towards right gives you cold feel, and left it makes the things look a little warmer. Default is good. And then we have the theme. The default one looks just like the pixel with blue thing and bluish thing, and light theme looks just like Samsung TouchWiz UI, and they both look pretty much the same. And the dark theme, which I'm a fan of, it's so dope. And here we can set the accent color like this colors. And then here we have the display size and the font size, and that's pretty much it in this particular setting. And let's turn to sound. Nothing new except this audio tuner, which is an equalizer, which works as an equalizer when connected with headphones or earphones. And here we have the battery, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the battery life is very much improved in this update. And then what we have here, we can see all the apps installed, 86 number of apps installed. And then we can lock apps, like I'll show you. I'll just lock YouTube app and see the magic. Just it shows this, either you enter your pattern or fingerprint. I just kept my finger on it, that's it. And then here we have the advanced. Here you can choose to enable or disable the pocket mode. I'll just enable it. Here you can see what's that: prevent accidental touch, locks in or fingerprint, operations when the phone is in the pocket, and recent app management, normal clear and deep clear when you press this little guy over here, this guy. Deep clear just force trace all the apps in the background from the and make all the apps quit from the memory. And here the system updates has been shifted from about phone to directly into the settings. You can see that. And about phone, you can see it's running Oxygen 4.0 and Android 7.0 Nougat with lags and Easter egg, and with comes with a December security patch, while Motorola G4 Plus is coming with November patch. Here we can quickly move into other settings just by swiping right, just like this. And now let's move on to benchmarks. And Antutu score has been sucked. It's about 140k on the Oxygen 3.2.8, and now it's just 135k. And then here we have Geekbench 4, which measures CPU performance. I've already done the benchmarking. Here you can see it's 1716 on single core and 4002 on the multi-core. Single core leads by 18 points or number from Android Marshmallow OnePlus 3, and multi-core just lacks 13 points. And that's pretty much pretty much it that's pretty much it, guys. And here, if you believe OnePlus is the best Android smartphone manufacturer, just leave this video a thumbs up, and let's see if we can get at least 10 likes on this video. And if you subscribe to me, guys, that would mean a whole world to me. Goodbye, see you in the next video.